Hey everyone, so I just got back from Vegas. It was just a weekend trip, but I feel like we did so much. And I'm pretty tired, and throughout that trip I didn't really get that much sleep, but yesterday I got back and I slept for like 12 hours, and hopefully that gives me enough energy today because I need to pack and clean the apartment before we leave for Japan tomorrow. We still need to sort through all the clothes that were contaminated with fiberglass because we really don't have that many clothes to wear for Japan. But before that, I'm gonna make breakfast because we have a lot of eggs that we need to get through. And ended up making scrambled eggs and then toast with brie on it, since we still have a lot of brie to go through and it's getting to like the final stages of fermentation, so it's getting pretty stinky. And I think the rest of the eggs I'm just gonna make an omelet later, and we should be good on groceries. And then maybe throw in like half an onion since we have 3 onions. So this is the packing situation so far. Obviously we are not done packing yet. I still need to go through clothes. After I finish breakfast, I'm gonna clear this table and lay them out on here, check if they have fiberglass, lint roll them, and then just put them off to the side, and we'll decide if it's safe to put in our luggage. By this time right now, I've already gone to Japan, so I've gone through the flight, dragged my luggage around from city to city, and throughout the process I learned what worked, what didn't work. So for some background, I flew on Zip Air to Narita, Tokyo, and it was my first international trip. I didn't know all of the limitations, including the weight of your luggage. So let's start there. Your luggage needs to be, I'll put up this sheet right here. For toiletries, you think it's not gonna take that much weight. It's just like small stuff here and there. But actually, my luggage barely made the cut. And I feel like it's because of all of my makeup and skincare. So something that is super helpful are spray bottles. These are mini spray bottles from the brand Lil Ray. They can be found on Amazon. They did send these to me to review. I'll show you how to use them, how to transfer liquid in here, and why it's a necessity when traveling. This kit comes with 4 atomizers in different colors, a funnel, and a syringe to easily transfer liquids. One important feature about this is that you twist to reveal the nozzle, which is a game changer, especially if you're traveling, because since the nozzle is tucked away inside, it's not going to cause a mess in your toiletry bag. Since stuff is moving around, there's no risk of something accidentally activating the spray, and the liquid is all secure inside, it's not going to spill. So I'm going to be transferring this perfume that I got from Miniso into the spray bottle. The way that you do that is you pull out the top. So to take the nozzle off, you just rotate. You're gonna take this small cone and put it on the bottle, and then you're just gonna fill it up. Here we are. You can pour as much as you want depending on how long your trip is and how much you need. But usually with sprays, you really don't need that much product. So after that's done, you put the nozzle back on, twist, and then insert it back into the case. And now it's ready to spray. Let's do it. Wow, that's a really good atomizer too. Like it evenly distributes everything. And then to lock it, you just twist. Super convenient. You can put like a face mist in here. And especially if your bottle is too big, you can't bring it. So transferring it is the only way. And this would be a game changer. So if you'd like to try it for yourself, I'll link it in the description box. Now you're gonna empty my toiletry bag. It is literally filled to the brim. And we're just gonna downsize and bring what I think I'll need. So first is a tinted sunscreen, has SPF and a little coverage. Here's a concealer to cover those dark circles, a palette that I can use for eyeshadow and bronzer, powder for the oily girls, eye drops for my dry eyes, perfume I just filled, hand sanitizer, makeup remover in a travel bottle, travel size moisturizer, multi-use stick for lipstick and blush, my beauty blender, eyelash curler, and a travel kabuki brush. And look at the difference. I still have a lot of room in case I need to bring back stuff from my trip. Good morning. I had to make a call this morning. I was on hold for like an hour just trying to sort my student loan stuff. Just doing some skincare, which I haven't really been on top of, hence the breakouts. This is the Great Berry Relief from Crave Beauty. If you don't know what my favorite skincare brand is yet, where have you been? Because I love crepe. So just got back from a Costco run. We go to Costco at least once a week. We picked up groceries for next week and also for a potluck that one of our friends is hosting. So we love eggs. You can't beat Costco egg prices. I just hope they're okay because the bag fell over in the trunk. Eggs. I guess this will be like a mini what's in my fridge. It's very minimal if we don't want to stuff our fridge. It's just like whatever we need for a week or two is what we'll have in the fridge. Because even now, like it's hard to use up everything before they expire, so having less is better, and if we ever run out, we can just go out and buy more. This bag, we have a baguette. We're planning to make bruschetta for the potluck, so we're gonna cut this up. Some bell peppers. We always have bell peppers like one week or another week. Just can't go wrong with bell peppers. It's easy to cook. I do have to wash these before I put them in the fridge, just so that they don't go bad as fast. And last but not least is some eggplant. I also have to wash these. It was raining earlier, so everything is like wet. And I can finally put this raincoat to use.